Good morning from icy Iceland. It snowed basically an inch or so last night, and we feel very fortunate that we got out and got our photos in the good light yesterday, and that we got a little bit of northern lights last night. Today we're heading back towards Þingvellir National Park, and I'm starting with a morning drive, a couple hours in the dark.
About all the years I made up, and I think I'm running out of time. Don't wanna
Oh, Merry Christmas! Winter wonderland here in Iceland. There's storms coming. You can see dark clouds that way, but Iceland is treating us well in that every time we show up to a location, we get a glimpse of decent light and decent weather. So we showed up here and it was just snowing, but I think that we're gonna walk down to this secret waterfall near Ivan's hometown and try to get a couple shots before the weather comes back in. So let's get moving.
Oh, it's so cold. I'm freezing.
Don't want a day when I say goodbye now, 'cause you leave a shiver down my spine. Don't let me fall to the ground so heavily, 'cause I recall what you go through easily. Just let me know where we head in this reverie, and I will stay. Don't mind the wait. I won't play. Don't like the game, 'cause I will stay, and I will wait for you. 'Cause I will stay, and
I gotta be honest, I don't think I've ever had a group as lucky as this. We were in a blizzard this morning, it was raining when we got here, it looked miserable, and it's not perfect now, but with this snowy condition, it actually makes for really nice photos. I actually think got two, maybe three photos. One up close, wide angle with some foreground.
I will wait for
One telephoto with me standing up on a rock.
you.
And then these crazy Polish people showed up and decided, hey, you know what? It's the middle of January, I'm gonna go for a swim. Are they crazy to be doing that?
Stupid is the word I use, yeah. Fancy doing that next? No?
Got some photos of that too. And yeah, a great shoot in the end. And now I think we're packing up, heading to Þingvellir.
I know you're wrong, 'cause you're scared of loving, but baby, right now I am too. Don't want a day when you say you're done now, 'cause
Just smash back some lunch really quick. And we're at our next location today. Since daylight is so short, sunrise is at 11:30, sunset is at 3:30, we really have to pack everything in all the time in the day, which is actually kind of fun. And we're at Þingvellir National Park, where there's a cool waterfall up there, and there's also some images I think to be made down a trail by the lake. So we're gonna do a bit of walking around. It's not raining or anything, but it is really overcast, so we'll see what we can make.
don't let me fall to the ground so heavily, 'cause I recall what you go through easily. Just let me know where we head in this reverie, and I will stay. Don't mind the wait. I won't play. Don't like the game, 'cause I will stay, and I will wait for you. 'Cause I will stay, and I will wait for you.
So we're here at the waterfall. I've already shot a couple images I like down at this church on the flats, And yeah, like I said, we're at the waterfall. I photographed this before, and one of the beauties of coming back to places time and time again is I was here, as I mentioned last year, and I got photos that I thought I loved, but there were some minor things that I wished I'd done differently last time, and so this time I've done them. So Marcus, who's in the group, is down in the spot I was earlier, and I was on the 16 to 35, shooting about 3-second exposures and just getting all this beautiful movement in the water. And because it's overcast, you have this incredible contrast between the white snow on the rocks, the black rocks, and then the water, which has all this color in it as well. And I think these are probably not going to be black and white, but they look naturally black and white. And I absolutely think I am totally stoked with the images on the back of the camera. Maybe my favorite image so far in 2019. But again, it's only day 6. Okay, it's so cold that Jody is using the heater here in the hallway of the hotel to heat up. But fortunately, there's a better way to heat up, which is why I'm rocking shorts. There's actually a sauna and hot tubs at our hotel here in Hilla. So we had an awesome day shooting. We got cold, and now we're gonna go warm up in the hot tub. Okay, so I'm gonna try to outro this video before it fogs up, because going in and out of the cold, that's what happened. That was awesome in the sauna. It was an awesome day today. We didn't get light, but I think there was at least 2 or 3 photos made today that were really good. I think everybody's quite happy with the way things went down. And I'm excited for tomorrow, because tomorrow the forecast is good. And I just feel like we're getting so lucky so far on this Iceland photography workshop. And I guess I'll see you guys tomorrow. There's a bunch of waterfalls tomorrow and hopefully some cool photos. I'll see you there. Peace.